What is going on, guys? It's your main man James here. In today's video we are going to be doing affiliate marketing with Digistore 24, and I'm going to be showing you a very advanced method that you can use in order to promote various offers. This is an amazing method. I really haven't talked about this before. Very unique method, and it's going to help you to get those conversions. It's going to be a much more effective method than all the other methods that are out there when it comes to getting your conversions. And the best part is we're going to be using 100% free tools to do that. So you don't need to sign up for any plan. You don't need to sign up anywhere. You can just get started and start making money. All right, so here we are in Digistore 24. It's kind of like ClickBank. In some ways, it's even better. There's a lot of great offers here. Now, before we pick an offer, you need to pick a niche, okay? Very important. And for that, I have you covered. Because if you Google best niches to make money, the first result is a really great article. It's an awesome article because they essentially break down the major niches as well as the sub niches, okay? So these are the major niches. We have the health niche, we have the dating niche, we have the make money online niche. These three are the main niches, okay? These are the super popular niches. These are the niches that a lot of people are affected by. And after that, we have, learn to sing or play an instrument, learn to speak another language, green energy, spirituality, and the survival niche. These are all great niches, but I just want to, say that the first three are like major niches. And after that, 4 through 7 is it? Yeah, 4 through 7, 4 through 8 are sub niches. So you got to pick what you want. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be doing a health niche. Okay, I've done make money online a lot. I've done dating a lot. Let's do a health niche right now. Let's mix it up a little bit. And so in the health niche, right, remember guys, there's a lot of things. There's a lot of moving pieces here. We have weight loss, we have weight gain, we have muscle buildings, so many other things. Health is like fundamental, really, right? Health is super important. There's a lot of things happening. And so when it comes to the health niche, you kind of have to decide what you want to do. And so once you kind of understand what you want to do, you want to jump back to Digistore and you want to start browsing their niches here. So we have fitness and health. That's kind of the main umbrella, right? We're going to click on that and we're going to see what's happening. So this is the ultimate keto meal plan, 85% commission, smart blood sugar. Actually, it was even on this list, I believe. So if we scroll down, we have cure diabetes. Yeah, kind of similar. Blood sugar, diabetes. And then we have smart blood. We have keto. Everything is keto. So let's go with the first offer. Okay, commission 85%. Card conversion 24%. Looks good. Sales rank number 2, right? Can't really go wrong. So you can kind of browse. There's the sales page. There's the affiliate page. Here's the affiliate material. You can just take a look at all this stuff. We don't really need that. Actually, you always want to read it. You're going to get valuable information here. Never skip the affiliate stuff. And this is their main landing page, right? So this is the video sales letter. You can watch that. I know it's doing well just from the stats, simply because it's on the top of this category here, right? Sales rank is number 2, so it's doing well. All right. So the next thing that we have to do is we have to Google for this tool called Arengu or Arengu, however you pronounce it. Okay. But you see it right here. We're going to open this tool up and we're going to create a form. And I'm in the free plan. I can upgrade, but I don't need to upgrade. Okay. This is going to be fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a form. We can select a template, all these templates here. But what I'm going to do is actually, I can do a blank form, newsletter, lead generation. Let's do a blank form, okay? Let's do a blank form. This is what it looks like, success. Use this template, and we're going to mix it up. Now, guys, what we want to do is we want to quantify the user just a bit. We want to make sure that they actually want to lose weight. They actually want our product. We don't want to just give it to them and say, here, buy this thing. It's the best. But, we want them to do some work, right? So we want to create anywhere from 3 to 5 questions that we ask them something about the niche that they're working with. Let me show you. So let's drag and drop this text field here. We have this text field and we can name it. Now, the offer we're promoting is, remember, this is the keto meal plan, okay? And what we want to do, guys, is we want to talk something about, losing weight. So, for instance, we can say something like, how long have you tried to lose weight? And actually, yeah, we can make it free form, but we can also scroll down. We can do a drop down, right? We can do something like this. And this could have options, right? We can have various options here. So it has a drop down, and we can add new options. So it's up to you how you want to do it. I'm just going to make all these free form fields. I'm going to delete this one. And so I'm going to do another one. So I'm going to create 2 more questions, right? I'm going to drag and drop this other one. Text. And we also want to collect emails, because that's also a good idea. What's your best email? How long have you tried to lose weight? What kind of diets have you tried? So there's keto, paleo, all kinds of different diets. Are you determined to lose weight this year? Okay? We want them to say, I'm ready, James. I want to do it. So these are the questions that we have. So we want to hit publish, because that saves it. Okay, it's been published. Actually, that just means saved. And we can hit preview and we can take a look. This is kind of what it looks like. Now, when they finish submitting their form, right, we can display a thank you block, or we can redirect them, okay? In my opinion, ideally you want both. You want to display the block and you want to redirect them. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to hit redirection. So we can display a block and redirect to the user. And where we're going to be redirecting them? Well, we can redirect them directly to the offer, but we don't want to do that just yet. Next, you want to head over, before you actually have a link, you want to head over to this site, Linktree, okay? You just Google for Linktree. It's going to be the first result. It's actually a very interesting domain here. You want to open this up and you want to log in or get started for free. I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account right here. All right, so I'm logged into my existing account. This is what it looks like. This is what you're going to see once you create your account. What we want to do is we want to add a new link, okay? And the title is going to be the name of the offer, like Keto Plan 2022. And the URL is going to be the link to that affiliate offer. I'm just going to put google.com, but that is the link you're going to get from Digistore 24, right? If you go in here, you hit promote. This is the link you're going to get. So I'm going to copy it. We're going to use the actual link here. We're going to go in here. We're going to delete, remove it, change it. So I'm just going to put google.com as the link right here. And I can add a new link. And this is kind of the beautiful thing, is that we can promote multiple offers. Let's say I want to promote 2 offers, okay? I'm going to go back to Digistore. Let's say I want to promote this keto. I'm going to hit promote. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to paste it. Go back to Linktree. I'm going to add a new link right here. And this is our keto, whatever, diet number 2. This is number 1 here. And this is going to be that second URL, whatever that URL is. And you can have multiple links, okay? Multiple links. And now this is what it looks like. And we get this final URL. If we open it, it's going to have multiple links here. That's the beauty of this thing. And we can track. We track views, clicks. We can change appearance. We have settings. We have analytics. I can do something like this, maybe. Something like this. I can change the design. Maybe green. Actually, this looks kind of cool. Or maybe something like this. Yeah, that's a little too busy. This looks kind of cool. I don't know. And now we have the URL, okay? And now we can take this URL that we have here. We can copy it, copy this link, and we can go back to our redirection from Arengo, right? We can paste it here, and we can redirect after 3 seconds. So that way, once we send them here, they fill out the form. We say, thank you, your form has been submitted successfully, or you can change that as well. You can do anything you want, and you can redirect them to the offer. Now we need to get the traffic, okay? So I can publish it, and let's try this out. Let's try if the form works. Let's say I'm a user that, found this form somewhere. What's your best email? Let's say james@james.com. How long? 5 years. Paleo, keto, others. Yes. Okay, and I can hit submit, and that's redirected. Now it's going to redirect me to the link tree. Look at that, automatically. And I'm redirected. Obviously, it's not going to say keto diet number 2, keto diet number 1. It's going to say something else. Now, let me show you the final part of this whole method, and that's the traffic, okay? You're going to Google for Udemy. Udemy is solo ads. You're going to Google for it. And what essentially that is, it's a way for you to purchase somebody else's email list traffic. So somebody, creates an email list from whatever in a certain niche, very targeted list traffic, maybe buy traffic, and we are essentially buying it per click. We're purchasing this traffic. So you're going to go to Udemy. This is what it looks like. Check out the link in the description to sign up. It's a much better one. It's going to give you a much better experience. And this is what you're going to get once you sign up using the link in the description. What you want to do is you want to click on Find Sellers, and you want to go to niche. It already says health. That's kind of what we want. We want health, but you can pick any niche that you want. You can put price max. Let's say you're willing to pay up to 80 cents per click. Let's say up to 60 cents per click. Got sales. All of these stats here, etc., etc. And these are promoted people. It says promoted, promoted, promoted. And you can pick anybody you want. Let's say I like, I don't know. Let's say I like this guy right here, Gary, right? We're going to open them up. So he has 283 positive, 8 negative, 79% of ratings where buyers report sales, 29 repeat sellers, 3 hours. He's in the UK. This is some testimonials. This is this description. And here's the best part. This is where you can actually purchase clicks. So let's say I want to purchase 100 clicks. That's the minimum. It's going to cost me 42 cents per click. And there's also a service fee of $3. So 42 cents per click, that's $42 plus a $3 service fee. That's $45 total. And we have, a prime filter, top tier. So we don't really care about top tier because if you scroll down, 100% is from the US. So we don't really care about top tier because it's, high quality traffic in any case. But you can specify. It's going to cost you a little bit more. Prime filter is going to cost a little bit more. You can kind of read more about it, right? When you hover over, you can kind of understand. This is where you put the link. You can put ad text and the link. And so the link is going to be our Arengo form, right? So if you go in here, we hit publish, we save it, we hit preview. This is the form we're getting. This is our preview, right? You can also go to embed here, and you're going to have the link here, right? These are all, these are all the ways that you can embed it. You can make it a pop-up, you can make it a button, all of these WordPress, etc., etc. But all you have to do is go to preview, copy this, go back to Gary right here and paste it. And this is going to be the form. So what happens is they are gonna send this email to their email list. They're going to see this link. They're going to click on it. We are going to track it because Arengo tracks everything, right? So when you go to submissions, it's going to track everything, right? It's going to track that somebody clicked, that somebody entered the submission. We can hit details. We can learn more about them. There's metadata, all of this good stuff here. And then once they fill it out, we're going to save their email. So we're collecting leads. We're collecting emails. And then it's going to redirect them to the link tree. And then on link tree, you're going to have multiple offers. Obviously, you don't want to call them Keto Diet 1, Keto Plan. You want to have descriptive names. And they can actually, and also the link tree is going to be tracking them as well. And they can click on both, on one, whatever they want. You can have up to 4 links here. So you can promote 4 offers using this method. So this is a very, very effective method. Try it out. It works really, really well. So this is a super effective method. I hope everything is clear. Let me know below if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any comments. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a like and a comment below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in a future video.